Virginia's head of public health is going on the defense after making controversial comments about racism and gun violence. Capitol Bureau reporter Jackie DeFusco has more.
Well, Virginia's Health Commissioner Dr. Colin Green would not take questions from reporters after a tense Board of Health meeting this morning, but he was in the hot seat after a controversial interview with the Washington Post. Dr. Green accusing the press of taking his comments out of context. Green accused of downplaying the role of structural racism when it comes to worse health outcomes for people of color. In a recent article, also quoted as saying, "If you say racism, you're blaming white people."
There's definitely no intent to eliminate any discussion of racism or the effects of racism. What I want to do, and this is just one of many topics, is to avoid using language from the outset that's going to alienate a large chunk of the audience.
But that response still getting backlash from the Board of Health.
By not using that word, I feel very strongly is to do a great injustice as a leader to not elevate that to the level where you can educate.
Pointing to higher death rates for black babies and mothers, Green said racism is a factor, but it's difficult to measure and not the only reason for disparities. Also getting pushed back, another quote from Green saying gun violence is frankly a Democratic talking point that risks turning away Republicans.
Gun violence, the term, risks missing the fact that there are at least 4 different factors involved in it, and it also risks missing the danger of all other forms of violence.
Denying the term gun violence is every bit as bad as denying the term racism.
Despite the dispute, Green remains state health commissioner for now. Governor Glenn Youngkin saying Green's message on racial health disparities was ineffective, but not committing to replace him.
I have not made a decision with Dr. Green. I believe that Dr. Green is very capable. And as I said, I'm really disappointed in his inability to communicate this message.
And following concerns raised by some Department of Health employees, Dr. Green assuring the board that differences of opinion will be welcomed from his staff and that he's committed to listening more. Reporting at the Capitol, I'm Jackie DeFusco.